All right, time to drink a little bit of this and put this in the car. Got a boba tea in this vicinity near the Renaissance Hotel. Hey, Amy's Ice Cream, and they got sushi. Hana Sushi and Grill. So in this area here. I'm to go to walk into Barnes and Noble, B&N, right near Cheesecake Factory. Boba. I love boba tea. Yep. Where the heck I parked my car? I don't know where I parked my car at. There's the Estancia Brazilian Steakhouse.
Ah, it's right there.
It was right over there, right near Juliet Restaurant. Yeah.
Oh, the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We actually went back here to get boba tea.
Oh.
After checking the apartment. Glad we meet up with the property manager and tour and check everything out. 3-bed, 2-bath. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're quite an adventure here. I'm gonna put my boba tea in the car and then walk to Barnes and Noble, B&N, baby. I actually probably need to use the restroom again.
I might use the restroom too.
All right, Barnes and Noble, baby. The Arboretum here in ATX in the USA. There you go. That's the Arboretum. Been here before.
Yeah,
Near the Renaissance Hotel. Let's see. Oh yeah, start your next chapter. All right, here comes the stairs. Yeah,